Sorry guys, I'm not sure what is happening, but my phone just keeps on cutting those videos. And this is already the third part of the first video that I'm trying to make. And I don't know why it keeps doing it. It cannot do it whenever it wants. I'm not controlling it, it just does it. And I just cleared some of my space, so maybe this could be a bit longer than the last one, just like 2 minutes. But yeah, I left off where I was about to buy a new animal, and I'm gonna buy it with the gems. So I'm not sure, should I buy a bunny, a monkey, or a wolf? What would you say? A monkey? Super cute. A bunny? Adorable. Or a wolf? I'm kind of thinking the wolf. 6,000 gems. Okay, well, I'm gonna go with the wolf. Professor Large Robot. King Stinky Pig. Meat Fry Spirit. Actually, I'm not gonna buy anything yet. I want you guys to tell me in the comments below that what animal should I buy. Because I just can't decide. They're all so adorable that I don't know. But right now I'm gonna change Sir Spooky Claws. Look, I'm gonna make him look jelly because you get jelly candies in this game from the... Oh, okay, sure. Can be my buddy. And also, if you want to be my buddy, you can. My name is Nina2000 here, so you can try and find me. I don't know how you do it. Here, Gumdrop. I'm just gonna search Gumdrop. So I have only this for Gumdrop, but I'm gonna get more the way the time goes, and I'm gonna give you a unicorn horn because it looks good. Trade request. Alright. But if you're taking too long... Okay. I was about to say if they'll take too long, then I'll just restart the game. Well, that looks kind of good. But I don't know. I'm just gonna give him the unicorn horn because it's cute. And yes, Christmas flag. Yes, that there. You keep it there. Okay, and now I'm just gonna change the colors. I want you to be yellow. Orange. And should you take the green one? No, I'm not gonna change it. No. Like, how do I... This one? Ooh, eyelashes. No, you look beautiful without them. What color is that horn? Oh. Not again. No, it's gonna stop the video soon. No. Guys, I don't want you to go. I swear, it didn't stop the video, thank goodness. It didn't stop the video. I want to give you a pattern on the back. Or just like anywhere. So guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Because I make good videos. That's my only reason.